video 5 on how to make more complex actions. So I'm going to select, these are all my text fields here, they're grouped and then they're underneath one another, but I'm going to select them and then arrange them so that they all line up. So to do that, I'm going to go to Window, I'm going to go to Properties, and I'm going to use the Align tool. So align to the left side and align to the top. Perfect. Now I'm going to move this because this is just taking up too much space. I'm going to pop it down here. Okay, there we go. And so we'll take these and we'll move them over to align to just underneath the photograph here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make, or the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make these into objects, two separate objects. So while this one's selected and everything, all the text is selected, I'm going to go up to Object, Object States, and click on this plus sign at the bottom. It creates a new object, and it's a multi-state object with 6 states. With this, okay, let's go, we'll call this, we'll call it text, image text. Okay, and there we have our text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Actually, I don't know which one is which, so we're going to have to experiment a little bit. And then same thing on this one. I'm going to take this and I'm going to make it into an object with states. And I'm just going to call this images. Okay. And I don't know what happened with state 5 there. We'll find out later, I guess. Okay, so let's get to the buttons. Actually, no, next we're going to be doing some animations. And I think I can fit that into this, video here. So this object here, I'm going to have it fly in from the left, or fly in from the right, sorry. So I'm going to go up to Animation, on Images. I'm going to choose one of the presets. Fly in from right. Okay. And there we have an indicator that it's going to be flying in from the right. And this one here, I'm going to do an animation where it flies in from the bottom. So again, fly in from bottom, it's a preset. Perfect. Okay, so next we're going to make these buttons bring up the correct text and bring up the correct image.